Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing this invisible strap 360 lace front water wave wig that I received from Ashimary hair. The packaging included this card that shows you how to apply the wig step by step as well. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. This is their water wave 26-inch 360 lace frontal wig. And as you can see, there is a drawstring on each side for the 360 effect. The unit already came pre-customized and pre-cut, so I'm going straight in with my Bold Hold Active lace glue to lay down this lace. Also, I forgot to mention that prior to filming off camera, I did apply my foundation to the lace to match with my skin tone. I'm cutting a small piece of the lace off around the ear tab area so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Once the glue is nice and tacky, that's when you want to go in and start laying the lace down. Although this unit is a 360 lace front wig, I did not glue down the back lace because honestly, I feel like it wasn't necessary. And if you want a more secure hold in the back, I would recommend using the adhesive tape that Ashimary provides. However, once again, I don't feel like it is necessary. Here, I'm just showing y'all how I adjust the drawstrings to tighten the back of the lace. And this really keeps the hair nice and secured, especially in the back. And after you tighten the drawstring, you could just easily tuck it away and it is not visible at all. I'm applying a thin layer of the Bedhead Masterpiece adhesive spray on top of the lace for a more secure hold. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to achieve that melted lace look. I do this step for about 5 minutes, and then afterwards I would stop using the blow dryer and keep the elastic band on for an extra 10 minutes. The first thing I'm doing to define these curls is going in with some mousse. And I'm applying a generous amount of that mousse all throughout the hair. This is actually my first time trying this particular mousse. It's called the Dew Mousse Def, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, and honestly, I do like this product. I feel like it definitely defined the curls and it just left a weightless type of feel to it. For my edges, I'm only going to pull out a little bit of hair because I want to go for that natural baby hair type of look. I'm using my edge flat iron to curl my baby hairs downwards to get that fluffy baby hair look. For my baby hairs, I wasn't trying to style it super neat or anything because I kind of like that like really thin, messy baby hair look when it comes to my curly units. Now I'm going in with my misting spray bottle, which only has water in it, and I'm just applying a generous amount of water to the hair. Lastly, I'm using the Taraji P. Henson Keep It Fresh spray, and this spray really just helps to make the hair smell good and keep the hair feeling nice and soft. So this is me showing y'all how the hair looked down in its natural state. The hair has so much volume, it is super soft, and honestly, the curls are so beautiful. I'm flipping the hair side to side so that y'all can see how secure the wig is. It has an elastic band in the back, and so I was able to really adjust it to my head. This is how the back of the hair look. A lot of volume, defined curls, and no gaps. So now I'm gonna show y'all how the hair looks in an updo. So I'm just gonna take my claw clip and put the hair up. This is the final look of the updo. Honestly, the hair felt very secure, especially in the back. And now I'm gonna show y'all how the back looked. I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I was very nervous. I did not know how the back of this wig was gonna look. I took my chance, I went with it, and honestly, I think it looks really good. I think it looks natural back there, especially since I didn't even have to glue the back down. I just used the drawstrings. So I am very, very happy with the outcome. I love a good updo style, and if you love a good updo style as well, definitely get this wig. It is so versatile and just overall a great wig. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.